Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is Erica. I create beauty videos and hair videos, so if any of those things interest you, definitely consider subscribing. So today I wanted to show you guys how I do my Marley twist, and this time I did short Marley twist. This is my third time achieving this look, and y'all, I am like enjoying my results. So if you want to see how I achieve my Marley twist, definitely stay tuned. Okay, so here are the products that I use. I'm using the Even Edge Tamer, some Shine and Jam. I'm going to be using some mousse, and then of course some rubber bands. You're also going to need your crochet needle as well. And then you guys, I'm using this oil to coat my rubber bands, and this Kinky Twist braiding Marley hair, and it comes in 2 little bundles. I actually use 1 whole pack. Alright guys, so I pretty much finished my whole head except for this section here. So I probably got like 5 more twists to go, so I'm just gonna be doing those twists. I literally started doing my hair at 8:30. It is about 12:10. I just checked my phone. 9:30, 10:30. So about 3 hours. I think it wouldn't have even been the 3 hours had I went ahead and went through and I did the filming portion. But yes, so let's get started. So I'm not too anal about parts. As long as the hair looks good, you know, it will pass. So just parting like that, and I'm taking the Even Edge Tamer, and I'm just placing that on the roots of my hair. See, I want to leave some of my sideburns out, but yeah, I have Ashanti's, okay? Like, I actually trimmed them. I'm gonna leave a little bit, but not out, like yeah. But I'm gonna just, y'all look at my comb. Don't judge my comb. Do not judge my comb. I have another one, I just can't find it. This one like always pops up, so I'm just gonna comb through a little bit. And I did start out on damp hair, you guys. Actually, my hair is kind of still wet. I washed it and I tried to let it dry for like an hour. You know, of course it wasn't dry, but I'm just gonna be putting a rubber band on it. And I've been alternating the front of my head with braiding at the root and then rubber band method. Literally depends on how I feel, but I'm just showing you how I'm using the crochet needle, and I don't have any particular technique using the crochet needle. I just slide it in, and I'm taking some of that hair. I like to wind it, that out of the way. I'm gonna just slide it on there and close the hook. And shout out to YouTube for teaching me how to do my own hair, because I always was the person that say I am not a hair person. Oh, let me not talk too fast. Okay, there we go. You want to close it. What's happening? Okay, slide it through. Jesus. And I just hold one side and pull on the other side. Y'all, this is literally like super easy. Like, if I can do it, you can do it. But I'm just gonna take my hair and pull like so, tighten it, and then I'm taking some more of that Even Edge Control, and I'm gonna start by just twisting. I try not to tug so much because it will make the twist slide. Now I'm going in with the Shine and Jam. This kind of like softens that Marley hair, kind of tone it down just a little bit. And I like this hair because it looks really natural. It looks like natural hair. It looks like my hair. I don't know, it just gives that natural look. I'm thinking about maybe, excuse me y'all, doing a boho thing. Like, I got some weave, and I saw one YouTuber, she was like, she had some tracks and she cut like the string of hair off the track and she like intertwined. I'm thinking about doing that, but I don't know yet. I don't know. But yeah, this is how the twist is. It's super simple, and my hair is pretty much like dry now.
Alright y'all, so this is the video. This is my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial and learn a little something. Like, quarantine is definitely bringing the creative side out of me, but as always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.